With today being the first day of Kwanzaa, and that first day of Kwanzaa being focused on Umoja, which is unity, it made me reflect. And I was thinking about a time where unity worked out in my favor, and unity allowed me to get the results I desired. See, when my wife and I were the targets of this hate crime that happened in July of 2016, I did a lot of work, but it was only because I had people helping me out. There was a video I recorded, posted the video online. Every piece of information I got after that came as a result of people uniting behind that trauma, that blatant act of disrespect, and giving me information. And every time I got information, I gave it to the detective. It took 2 months, 2.5 months. Eventually, she got arrested. Eventually, she served jail time because of this. That was unity at its highest degree. I call it social media justice. But as I'm reflecting on unity right now in terms of 2020 and going into 2021, something that's on my mind is this. I really pray and hope that all of us, myself included, unite not just behind traumatic videos or traumatic experience, but we unite behind the inflicted damage, the residue of past traumas, of past tragedies. Because look, we all united this year in 2020 after Ahmaud Arbery and George Floyd and Breonna Taylor. But as anybody knows, these issues have been here for a long time. So going into 2021, using my experience and using what I learned this year, let's be proactive, y'all, instead of reactive. I'm talking to myself too. These tragedies will happen again. But if we continue acting and using that momentum that we generated from the past tragedies of this year, we'll be ahead of the game and we'll get the results that we ultimately desire. Umoja starts with us, and we cannot unify with anybody else until we first unify with ourselves. Black history saved my life. What's going to save yours?